Hi, I'm Philip, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Ninja Foodi NeverStick PossiblePot. This innovative product is designed to do it all. And with its 7-quart capacity, it replaces 12 of your common cooking tools, including a stock pot, Dutch oven, sauce pot, roasting pan, baking dish, strainer, brazier, deep fryer, spoon ladle, serving dish, steamer, and a lid. The possibilities are endless with this unique all-in-one pot. All range capable and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the Ninja Foodi PossiblePot lets you easily go from stovetop to oven to table. It even includes an integrated utensil that works as both a ladle and pasta fork, perfect for serving a meal right at the table with your friends and family. This integrated utensil makes for easy cooking, serving, and storage. The lid has a built-in utensil rest and it provides convenient storage when you're done. The Ninja Foodi PossiblePot comes equipped with a versatile rack, perfect for steaming veggies or roasting a delicious 5-pound chicken for the whole family. Your PossiblePot's lid comes with built-in strainer holes with convenient pour spouts to easily release steam and drain liquids. This pot quickly distributes and retains heat for excellent searing and perfect results every time. The NeverStick interior enables you to quickly wipe away messes and it's dishwasher safe, so it's easy to keep clean.